I have a special package that I'm gonna unbox with everyone today. And you can tell I'm excited because I'm singing. This is the package. It's so big. I'm so excited. Oh! Alright, let's figure out the best way to attack this in the most gentle way possible, because I don't know if it's in like a separate package underneath or if it's just straight to the fabric, because I've accidentally made the mistake before of cutting into the package too aggressively and subsequently cutting a little hole in my like Lolita dress. So there's already a tear here, so I think this is for like customs, that kind of thing, because this was definitely a planned tear. So let's start there. Alright, there is bubble wrap in here. Okay, very careful. Here we go. Okay, bubble wrap and more packaging. I cut along the tape there. Boop, 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 boop. And another one. Boop, boop, boop. I like when it slides, like the scissors just slide cut. It's so satisfying. It's so smooth. It is in a separate package underneath the bubble wrap. Oh, I thought this was going to be open at the bottom. It's partially open at the bottom. I was partially correct in my assumption. Removing bubble wrap. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. She's sitting on my chair over there, and I'm putting the trash like right next to her, and she's like, "Oh God, plastic is coming at me. What do I do?" And which fair. Second package. This one also has a tear in it, probably for customs. Looking through my package and stuff. Oh, I see it already. Ah, I'm so excited. Ah. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna do the dump thing again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm like, this first one is the actual dress. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. This is such good quality already. I haven't even taken it out of the package yet. Look at it. Oh my gosh. This is such high quality. This is embroidery, like all of the butterflies and things. The rest of the fabric too, it has like, I don't even know how to describe it, like this 3D crosshatch, I guess. Oh my gosh, and this is the top. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty! Oh, I love it. Oh. Okay, let's unfold it now. Oh my goodness. Just pretend there's poof here. Oh my gosh. Ah. Let's look at it again from the top down. So we've got this zipper here. And it actually unzips, so this is probably how I'm gonna be getting it on. And then going down, it has like, I don't know, this slit that kind of goes along the side of the body. The bottom of the dress has pleated kind of continuation of this flower design on here. I love the layering. This is so pretty. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, and then the back, there's more embroidery on the back here. Look at that detail. The flowers and the butterflies. Oh! And even on the fabric, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like almost shadows of the butterflies. Like right here and right here. Like on the red part of the fabric. This is the dress, this is the main piece, and I have a ton of accessories that go with it as well. I hope it fits. I do notice that there isn't anything on here to adjust the size, so there's no like, I don't know, corset type thing in the back where I can pull strings to make it tighter. There's nothing on the waist, like waist ties that I can make a bow in the back. Nothing in the front either, so hopefully it's gonna fit. It's beautiful. There is another item in here in this package that might help the tightness, so we'll see. Okay. Oh my gosh. Next thing. Let me try to do like the main piece stuff first. So this is a cape. So it's just gonna sit over my shoulders like this. It has a couple button holes, like, but not actual buttons. So maybe I need to double check the dress to see if there's buttons on there. There are no buttons on the dress, so it's possible it's in one of these accessory bags. There's like a thing you just put through the buttonholes. I don't know, we'll see, but either way, we're gonna make it work. But yeah, oh, it's so pretty. The fabric is the same as the dress. There's like these shadows of the butterflies almost. I don't know what to call them because they're like in the background, they're faded, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I didn't know the fabric was gonna be this pretty when I ordered it. Ah! Oh gosh, it's so pretty. I'm never gonna get over this. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the dress. Ta-da! What's next? All right, I have no idea what this is. It's Velcro. I don't remember what this is. I'll have to look at the picture because I really don't know what this is. But it's beautiful. And it's so shiny. Look how the color changes in the lights. Oh. Oh, you know what? Thank you for that. I think these are the wrist cuffs. It's probably the wrist cuffs. Okay. Honestly, the Velcro is awesome because like this is meant to go over a long sleeve shirt, but yeah. And then the shirt is supposed to like, at least in the cord that they had, the shirt would like poof out here, and there's like little ruffles down here. So yeah, we figured it out. I think we'll do this one next. Oh wait, no, I didn't want to do this one yet. Well, it's in other plastic, so let me get to this big one first. This one. This is the main piece. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Ah! This is the little corset belt. Oh my god, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Just look at all the 3D stuff. So this is gonna go around the waist like this. Amazing! Ah! I love it so much. Oh my gosh. These little buttons here on the side, these are just for show. They're not actually functional. Like half a butterfly and a bow on the side. This part here, this is elastic, so that's awesome. There's also a zipper here. Zipper it up. There's also, oh, okay. So along the elastic part here, there are little loops on both sides. So I think I can string some string in there to make it tighter if I need, which is great because I'm really tiny. There's also boning on the inside, so it has structure, which is awesome. It's not just gonna fall apart, not fall apart, but like wrinkle, you know, as I move around. There's also some buttons on the bottom. I don't exactly know what those are for, but I'm sure I will figure it out. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's gonna look like that. There's so many things in this package. Oh my gosh. Oh, I know what the buttons on the corset are for now. These little things, these are tassels that will be hanging from the belts, like this. It's not on my head. Hopefully you get what I'm trying to say. There's like 8 of them, so they're going to be all evenly spread out around the belt. Look like that. I don't know how to like describe it, but I'll show you when we get to it. And I like that these are detachable because, like, you know, I can, on different days I can choose whether, like on different occasions I can choose whether or not I want to look all, like, have this pattern everywhere or just like partially. So I like versatility a lot. All right, I think we're on to the smaller accessories now. All right, so I just got like a whole bunch of these butterfly tassels, which I believe attach to these tassels, like this. It's gonna look really heckin' cool. These are 2 additional tassels, but without the butterflies on them. And these have clips like, so I don't know where these go yet. We'll probably figure that out soon. A butterfly brooch without the tassels, but the same butterflies that are on the butterfly tassels. I can basically put this wherever I want. Next thing, ooh, this one's so pretty. Oh, I think I figured out what the tassel, the extra tassel is for. This bow, this is a hair bow, a barrette. It's a, I forgot what kind of clasp this is called. Like French barrette maybe? This is so pretty! Anywho, the tassels. There's a tiny little loop here, which this tassel perfectly clips onto. Figured it out! Oh, this one is actually a brooch, because the back has like a little pin thing here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it is another bow. Gorgeous! Ah! I get to put this wherever I want on the dress, so we'll see. We'll see where I want to put it. There's so many little pieces. I love this. Here we go. Little bows. Little hair bows. These ones are alligator clips. I definitely prefer alligator clips for my hair accessories. They're just a lot easier to put like anywhere on my hair. So many bows. More alligator clip bows. These ones have flowers in the center of them compared to butterflies on the other ones. The last thing that I have here is a fan hair clip. This one's really interesting. So it's supposed to go kind of like this. It has 3 alligator clips, one on the bottom here, one on each end of the fan to hold it in place. Like that. Yeah. I had thought I also bought some butterfly attachments, but I guess not, which is totally fine. I wonder if it's too late to, like, I don't know, get those or find them, because, like, that would be really cool. It's really cool. But I'm glad I got the fan, because I was like opening all these, I was just seeing all the bows left, and I was like, wait, what about the other cool hair things? Ah! It's really pretty. I love it. Gosh, this is just such high quality material. And gorgeous. I'm so happy. Okay, so that is all of the unpackaging. Yeah, that's the package. We did it, everyone.